Hello and welcome to the Matthew Alton Art channel again. This is the 5th daily video in a row. They are documenting a portrait challenge that I'm doing. I'm hoping to do 7 portraits in 7 days. Just in a sketchbook using a pencil. And this is the 5th of those portraits. Those of you who are following the channel will perhaps have seen that I did a baby yesterday, just to mix it up a little bit. Not done a baby before, and it was about trying to look at the different proportions that exist on a baby's face to those of an adult. Today I continued the stretching challenge theme, and I wanted to do a portrait of darker skin tones. That I haven't done many portraits of people with darker skin tones, but also a tilted back head pose, which of course is good for making you look at what's there again. I was talking in yesterday's video about drawing what you can actually see rather than what you think should be there. So the tilted back head sort of makes you look at the angles of the nose and the mouth and where everything is in relation to each other. It's not in a normal place that you would have it in a face that's just facing you full on. Using the normal mechanical pencil that I've used for all of these videos. If you haven't seen the other videos yet and you're new to the channel, then do go and look at those. I've put them all in a separate playlist, so you can just go through the playlist and watch all of them as they were created. I started this one very much in the way that I've started all the other drawings, if you've been watching them. Roughly putting the shape and the angle of the head in, and then starting with one eye and then triangulating everything else with that eye. So in this particular portrait I started with the right eye, which is the one at the top of the head there, and then I moved on to the nose, because of course that's very close to the eye, and getting the angle of the nose right, and that little bit of cheek that you can see beyond the nose was really important for getting the overall pose right. And the last eye, which is something I'd normally do second, was done last, partly because that was furthest away from everything else really. So it was helpful to get the eye and the nose right, and then it was easier to work out where that second eye should go. When adding the ear there, I was looking at how high it was in regards to the features on the left, the lips, that sort of thing. So although it's not in the normal place, I say normal, in the full face view, by just looking at where it is in relation to everything else, you can still get it in the right place. Just takes a bit more observation skill to be able to do that. It was nice working with darker skin tone as well, because that of course is a different mid-tone value. So getting the light to shine on the oily skin of this lady was good. Having said that, I've just realised this is the first female that I've done this week as well, so it's challenging myself on all sorts of new things for this week. The reference photograph was another Roarum Studios reference photo, which is a really great resource. It's one of the free ones. I'm not currently paying or subscribing on a monthly basis, but I have in the past, and I will do that again at some point in the future. Trying to indicate the sort of dreadlocked hair here. Big strands rather than fine hair. I think I've successfully managed that. And we're about finished, I think. Another sketchbook page filled. Well, here's the final drawing. Overall quite pleased with it. It was difficult to pose compared to the previous ones. Different skin tone, different ethnicity, different hair type. So overall I've managed to cope with all of those differences, and it was quite a good likeness to the actual original photograph as well. So that's always a positive. It took about an hour to do again, so they've all taken roughly about the same, from 45 minutes to just over an hour. So overall quite pleased with it. Number 5 has been done. Okay, well, I will be back with another one, hopefully tomorrow, number 6, and then we're nearly there for this challenge. So if you've been following the journey, then do pop back, and I'll see you on the next one tomorrow. Bye.